In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Hostinger password. Let's get into it. Log in to your Hostinger H panel using your current credentials. Once you're in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Information. Scroll down to the Account Settings section. You'll see a password field with a small arrow next to it. Click on that arrow to expand the password change options. Now, enter your current password in the first field, then create a new password and type it in the second field. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and make it at least 12 characters long. Once you've entered both passwords, click Confirm to save the changes. That's it. Your Hostinger account password is now updated. Log out and log back in with your new password to make sure everything works. If you want to change your email password or FTP password, those are separate. For email passwords, go to Emails, then Manage Email Accounts, select the email you want, and click Change Password. For FTP or SSH passwords, go to the Websites section and look for FTP accounts or SSH access. And that's it. That's how to change your Hostinger password. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.